My name is Thurston Brooks, and I am BAE Systems Team CANES.
My name is Christy Beagle, and I am BAE Systems Team CANES.
My name is John Gallucci.
Dave Webb.
Mark Tapham.
Jeff Rice.
And I am.
And I am.
BAE Systems.
BAE Systems.
BAE Systems Team CANES.
Team CANES.
Team CANES.
Team CANES.
I am BAE Systems Team CANES.
What got me interested in CANES was it built off of some previous Navy background that I had working on other programs, and it was an opportunity to provide something that I thought was needed and would be of value to our men and women on board ships.
I have 9 years of naval integrated systems deployment. I've done everything from EQT, software hardware design, to riding ships around the Gulf.
My background is principally working with the Navy. So what we try to do is we try to get out there and really understand what the Navy needs.
I've always been a big believer in the Navy and a big fan, and want to be able to provide the best for the Navy in terms of computers and technologies.
30 years in the military. I've spent half of my career doing tactical combat systems and the other half of my career doing strategic systems.
I work on the security aspect of CANES itself, so helping with the government requirements, helping verify that we meet security requirements, as well as helping protect the information itself.
I've transitioned from combat systems to ship design itself, to much of the software that goes on board ships, to some of the later security issues with the net-centric information assurance.
And the opportunity to go and just contribute to the overall Navy by just providing the best IT environment you can provide them. Something that simple is what CANES is all about.
BAE Systems Team CANES is such an interesting team. We have really taken down all of the walls for collaboration. You never know what company people are coming from. Everyone has the same goal and objective when they get to work every day.
This team really brings people from a lot of different companies, big companies, small companies, Raytheon, from DRS, from HP, EDS, from small businesses.
What's unique about our team is really the varying backgrounds that everyone brings.
We have a number of people on our team that are former Navy, and they have a passion for doing the right thing for the folks that they still know in the Navy.
This team lives and breathes the Navy life.
What would it be like to be a sailor on this ship? Could the sailor actually go and use this product?
I think we have the best engineering team that this country can provide with the group of people that we brought in from the various teammates.
People were more focused on the customer's perspectives, what they wanted.
The whole program from the beginning has really put an effort to focus on the end user.
People are working together as part of one cohesive team.
It's a family. I mean, the people care about each other.
It's a great bunch of people, good camaraderie.
We work from early in the morning to late at night, but there's a lot of laughter in the conference rooms.
CANES is going to allow the sailor to complete their missions and not have to worry about whether their basic network is going to be working the day they need to complete that important critical mission.
In the midst of a mission, the last thing a sailor wants to think about is his infrastructure.
Our products are going to be reliable, they're going to be available when they need them, and they're going to have the options to reprovision as needed to meet the priorities of their mission.
The Navy wants this to be instantaneous, and we have a system that'll do that.
The end user is going to get a system that is far more robust than what they have today.
One of the very first meetings I went to was Admiral Edwards showing this line of the cost and the inflexibility of the systems to meet the changing tactics out there. And what we're providing is the solution to that, no kidding.
We've already demonstrated that we can take 66% of the ONS cost out of the entire solution over 20 years. We've literally reduced the footprint by over 25% and yet maximized the current capability by tenfold.
What we're really saying to the Navy is we've done our homework, and we know you've done your homework. Now we get the opportunity to blend that together to maximize the solution for the future.
We've managed to make C4I weapons grade.
I think the sailors are just going to be really happy. I've seen us demonstrate portions of our solution to them, and you can just see that we are on the right track. We are doing things that are going to make the end user make this easier for their everyday life, and it's just going to be, they're just going to be happy. They're going to be able to do their job and not worry about what they have to do to get around all the obstacles that they face every day.
With the BAE Systems Team CANES solution, the Navy will get a partner that will work with them to achieve their program objectives.
An ability to share information across the fleet and to share with our coalition partners to be more effective in making decisions that execute the Navy's mission.
The Navy will achieve a common C4ISR infrastructure that will leverage lessons learned from systems that are currently out in the fleet today.
To provide a solution that's more agile, that reduces the infrastructure cost.
The networking, the compute infrastructure, and all of the various pieces necessary to cookie cutter their solution across multiple platforms.
Better solutions, better technology.
The Navy will not only have a solution innovative for the requirements they have now, but the requirements of the future.
The ability to do their job more effectively, efficiently, with security at its heart.
An integrated partner who's willing to work with them and meet their needs, not just now, but down the road in the future. However the network architecture may change, we're willing to work with them and satisfy their requirements.
With BAE Systems Team CANES, the Navy gets no doubt in mission assurance.
One hell of an awesome solution to their tough problems.
The Navy will be able to achieve its objective of reducing the overall footprint afloat, reducing the total life cycle cost of that solution, to enhance its capability, to be able to stay abreast with Moore's Law, and to be able to launch the transformational capabilities, not just for this program, but the follow-on programs in the future over the next decade.